ManpowerGroup is a workforce solutions company with 3,900 offices in over 80 countries and territories. They are predicting that Dubai, hosting the World Expo 2020, is expected to create not only huge employment opportunities over the next 5 years, but also demand for outsourcing. Simon Matthews is country manager, director for Thailand, Vietnam and the Middle East. He's with us this evening here on Emirates News. Simon, thanks a lot for being with us.
Welcome. Thank you for inviting me, Greg.
So what are your expectations for Dubai regarding jobs and the economy in the lead up to Expo 2020?
Yeah, we're very excited. We're looking at around about 200,000 job creations leading up to Expo. A lot of those jobs we think will be on a contract, temporary basis because of the project nature. And at the moment, the forecasting 2014 around about a GDP of 3.9%. We think that'll add about 1.5% to the GDP, again, leading up to, over the next 6 years, leading up to the Expo.
Incredible numbers there. Now, how do you see recruitment trends changing then as we head towards Expo 2020?
You know, a lot of the trends we're seeing are to support Expos in infrastructure, tourism, real estate to support the large numbers that are coming in. And as I mentioned, a lot will be looking at contract labour because a lot of these will be short-term projects. So clients will be looking to outsource these numbers. And that has some other challenges because obviously using or outsourcing companies need to be very compliant to the laws and regulations in the country, such as the UAE.
Now, what's the advice for businesses here that want, to be as cost effective as possible in the years ahead?
Yeah, I think there's two areas really to look at. One is flexible workforce. Flexibility is that you have the people when you need them and you're not covering the overhead for a long period of time. And the other one is not only in the UAE but globally, we're hearing about productivity. And everyone needs to work on their workforce to drive productivity. That can either be for multiple skills, training and development, how you drive their performance. Very critical for the productivity of an organisation.
Because you talk a lot about a flexible workforce solution. What exactly does that mean?
Yeah, it really means in several areas. One is in manufacturing. You have peaks and troughs in manufacturing, so you need your workforce for when you have high production areas and then to downsize when you have the low period of time. You also have the flexibility of bringing skills in that you don't have as your core business, whether it's technology skills, engineering, to support what projects you have. So that's what we really talk about flexibility in the workforce.
And Simon, just finally, because we're running out of time, but obviously Manpower is a multi-billion-dollar company. What are your projections for this region? What do you hope to achieve in the next few years here?
Well, we're very excited. I mean, we're looking not only in the UAE, but all the Gulf states and signing partnerships or joint ventures because we see a lot of investment. All our global clients asking us, can you support us here? Can you support us there? So it's really exciting times and looking forward to coming back and confirming what we've talked about later.
Fantastic. Simon Matthews, many thanks.
Thank you, Greg.